All right, so we'll start with the types of adverbs. The first type of adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us that हमारा जो action है वो कहाँ पर हुआ. Adverb of time tells us कि action किस time पर हुआ. And adverb of manner tells us कि action किस manner में हुआ. Manner means a way of doing something, कि किस तरीके से किया गया. Right? Adverb of place, adverb of time and adverb of manner. ये तीन हमारे पास categories हैं to divide the adverbs. Now today we have to start with exercise number 4. Okay, so fill in each blank with correct form of the word given in the brackets. हमारे पास brackets में कुछ words दिए गए हैं which are basically adjectives. जैसे कि bracket में हमारे पास है bright, angry. ये क्या है? Adjectives हैं. ये हमें किसी noun या pronoun की कोई quality बताते हैं. लेकिन जब इनके थ्रू हम बताना चाहें कि verb के बारे में कोई quality, verb कहाँ हुआ, कैसे हुआ, ठीक है, तो हम इनको एडवर्ब्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. हमें क्या करना है? हमें ब्राइट के साथ ly यूज करना है. Okay, we have to use ly with these words. So the sun is shining dash in the sky. What shall be the answer? Write in the chat box, all of you. The sun is shining dash in the sky. Bright के साथ ly लगाएंगे तो क्या बनेगा? It will be brightly. So the answer is brightly. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Second one, mother shouted dash at me for breaking a very pretty vase. Mother ने मेरे पे shout किया. कैसे shout किया? Angry से क्या बनेगा? Very good. It will be angrily. 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 The mother shouted angrily at me for breaking a pretty vase. Pretty vase means सुंदर सा एक वास. वास क्या होता है? एक फूलदान जिसमें हम flowers लगाते हैं. Okay, so this is the we have to do this exercise. We have discussed two, and rest of you can do by yourself. Otherwise I'm going to share the answer key also today. Exercise number 4 or 5 की answer key I will share today. There is no need to attempt exercise number 6. Exercise number 6 हम नहीं करेंगे. You can put a small cross on exercise number 6, right? Now moving ahead to exercise number 5, which is underline the adverbs in the following sentences and tell the kind of each. Now in these sentences, just have a look at exercise number 5. आपको क्या करना है? You have to underline the adverbs. उनको underline करना है, and then you have to tell which kind of adverb is it. So it's better you attempt this exercise in the notebook. इसको अगर आप notebook पे कर लोगे, it will be better for you to understand. अच्छे तरीके से हो जाएगी notebook पे. Okay, so the first sentence, never speak rudely to anyone. Which is the adverb here? Write in the chat box. So Baljot has given the answer. It is rudely.
Rudely.
Very good, Baljot and Ekam. The answer is rudely. So rudely is the adverb here. And which kind of adverb is it? कौन सी kind है ये? Is it adverb of time, place or manner? हमें बताया जा रहा है कि बात कैसे की गई. तो ना हमें टाइम बता रहे हैं, ना हमें प्लेस बता रहे हैं, हमें बता रहे हैं कि बात कैसे की गई. मीन्स द मैनर. सो दिस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. ये एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है. वेरी गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वॉक स्लोली एंड देन वॉक बैक. वॉक फॉरवर्ड एंड देन वॉक बैक स्लोली. सो आइडेंटिफाई द एडवर्ब्स हियर. Okay, Tanvi says slowly. Very good. Slowly is the adverb. Forward is the adverb. Okay, let's see whether it is or not. So yes, forward is the adverb. Walk forward. Forward means आगे की तरफ जाना. कहाँ जाना? आगे की तरफ. Forward. So it tells us about the direction or the place. हमें बता रहे हैं कि कौन सी डायरेक्शन की तरफ वो बढ़ा. हमें बढ़ना है. That is towards the forward. Towards आगे की तरफ जाना है हमें. So this is direction या place. So this is adverb of place, right? The next adverb, and then walk back slowly. Slowly से पहले कोई और adverb भी है हमारे पास? Back, yes, back is also the adverb. So back हमें क्या बता रहा है?
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहे adverbs.
समझ नहीं आ रहे हैं? Okay, let me tell you. How many types of adverbs are there, Cheshta?
Ma'am, slowly back forward.
आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग एडवर्ब्स कौन सी टाइप्स के होते हैं, कितनी काइंड्स के होते हैं?
मैनर, प्लेस, टाइम।
मैनर, प्लेस एंड टाइम। ओके, सो जब हमें कोई वर्ड बताएगा कि एक्शन किस टाइम पर हुआ, तो वो कौन सा एडवर्ब हो जाएगा? एडवर्ब ऑफ
टाइम।
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 जब कोई वर्ड बताएगा एक्शन कहाँ पर हुआ, देन?
प्लेस।
एंड जब हमें बताया जाएगा एक्शन किस तरीके से हुआ, देन?
मैनर।
Manner. So in this sentence, which is the verb here? First of all, identify the verb. Verb कौन सा?
वॉक।
Walk. So
वॉक।
walk के बाद हमने क्या identify किया? Forward is the adverb. So what is the
फॉरवर्ड।
meaning of forward?
फॉरवर्ड आगे।
आगे. So क्या forward हमें कुछ बता रहा है verb के बारे में? Walk के बारे में कुछ बता रहा है?
यस।
क्या बता रहा है?
यस कि कहाँ वॉक करनी है।
कहाँ walk करनी है? So कौन सी डायरेक्शन में walk करनी है?
फॉरवर्ड।
फॉरवर्ड मीन्स आगे की तरफ, ठीक है। सो एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस मीन्स कि हमें जब कोई डायरेक्शन बताई जाए या फिर जगह बताई जाए, तो बता रहे हैं ना हमें आगे की तरफ जाना है, किस जगह जाना है, आगे की तरफ जाना है। सो इज फॉरवर्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस? इज इट?
यस।
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 ओके, नाउ आगे चलते हैं। वॉक फॉरवर्ड तक हमने सॉल्व कर लिया। एंड देन वॉक बैक स्लोली।
बैक।
बैक, बैक क्या बता रहा है हमें?
वॉक के बारे में कि पीछे चलो।
पीछे चलो। तो फिर ये कौन सा एडवर्ब होगा? बैक।
प्लेस।
Place, it will tell us about the place, so it is adverb of place again. Okay, now आगे चलते हैं। चेष्टा, there is one more word which is slowly. Is slowly an adverb?
यस।
हमें slowly क्या करना है?
वॉक करना है।
Walk.
मैनर।
So is it an adverb?
यस।
ठीक है, स्लोली हमें बता रहा है कि हमें धीरे धीरे चलना है। तो चलना इज द वर्ब, वॉक इज द वर्ब। और कैसे चलना है, जो चीज हमें बताए कि कैसे काम करना है, विच एडवर्ब विल दैट बी?
मैम व्हाट?
कौन सा एडवर्ब होगा? स्लोली इज टेलिंग अस कि हमें काम धीरे धीरे करना है। सो विच एडवर्ब इज इट?
मैनर।
मैनर। So
मैनर।
walk, walk back slowly. Back is the adverb of place and slowly is the adverb of manner.
Manner.
Now is it clear, Cheshta?
ओके मैम।
Okay.
यस मैम।
हमें हर एक अपने एडवर्ब को रिलेट करना है वर्ब के साथ, कि कौन से वर्ब की बात हो रही है, उस वर्ब के बारे में बताया क्या जा रहा है। उस वर्ब का टाइम बता रहे हैं, प्लेस बता रहे हैं, या मैनर बता रहे हैं, राइट? Now moving on to the third sentence. The teacher replied angrily. Now first of all tell me which is the verb here. Write the verb in the chat box. Verb कौन सा है? Verb means the action word. The teacher replied angrily. Very good. Krishna ने mention किया है angrily. Krishna, I asked about the verb first of all. So the verb here is replied. रिप्लाई करना। रिप्लाई मीन्स किसी को किसी की बात का एक जवाब देना, टू आंसर समबडी। ओके, सो अब क्या बताया गया है? द टीचर रिप्लाइड एंग्रीली। कैसे रिप्लाई किया टीचर ने? एंग्रीली रिप्लाई किया। सो चेष्टा, विच एडवर्ब इज एंग्रीली देन?
मैनर।
Manner. So this is adverb of manner. Angrily is the adverb and it is adverb of manner. और angrily कौन से verb का adverb है? Replied का। जब भी कोई adverb होगा तो उसका एक verb भी तो होगा ना। Verb होगा तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताया जाएगा, verb होगा तो ये तो adverb होगा। Next, Harish is working very hard. So which is the verb here? First of all, tell me about the verb. Which is the verb?
वर्किंग।
Very nice. So you all are answering in the chat box. It is working. So कैसे बताया जा रहा है कि हरीश कैसे काम कर रहा है? कैसे काम कर रहा है हरीश? काम कर रहा है ना, इज वर्किंग, तो वो कैसे काम कर रहा है? इज वर्किंग हार्ड, वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है. सो हार्ड इज द एडवर्ब हियर. वो कैसे काम कर रहा है? हार्ड कर रहा है, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है वो. सो हार्ड इज द एडवर्ब एंड इट इज विच टाइप ऑफ एडवर्ब? इज इट टेलिंग अस अबाउट द टाइम, प्लेस, और इज इट टेलिंग अस अबाउट द मैनर? क्या बता रहा है हमें वो? टाइम बता रहा है कि हरीश किस वक्त काम कर रहा है, या प्लेस
मैम वो
कहाँ काम कर रहा
मैम
है?
वो टाइम बता रहे टाइम.
टाइम बता रहा है? टाइम तो नहीं बता रहा है वो. टाइम कहाँ?
मैम मैनर बता रहा है.
मैनर बता,
मैम मैंने
कैसे काम
मैनर.
किया. So this is adverb of manner. It tells us about the manner. किस तरीके से काम किया कर रहा है वो? हार्ड तरीके से काम कर रहा है, मीन्स वो बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. He's working very hard. Next, yesterday she wrote her copybook neatly. Now first of all tell me which is the verb here. Verb कौन सा है? Verb is wrote. Wrote means उसने लिखा.
मैम ये एक मैनर है.
Wrote is the verb. तो wrote के बारे में क्या बताया गया है? Place, time और manner. क्या बताया गया है? कब लिखा?
मैनर.
Okay, which is the manner then? So Krishna has mentioned neatly. Which adverb is neatly?
मैनर मैम.
Manner, yes. Neatly is the adverb of manner. Good. So do we have any other adverb in this sentence? क्या हमें कुछ और नहीं बताया गया? Time और place?
मैम यहाँ पे yesterday बताया गया है, ये टाइम है.
Very good. Yesterday has also been told. हमें बताया गया है कि उसने कब लिखा? उसने कल लिखा. So yesterday is the adverb. Which type of adverb is it? Adverb of time.
टाइम.
Then neatly is also the adverb and it is adverb of manner.
मैनर.
All right. Now, if anybody has a confusion, please let me know. And rest of the sentences from sentence number 6 to 10 is your homework. And by evening, I'll share the answer keys of exercise number 4 and 5 with you so that you can match the answers with it. All right. Okay, so that's all about today's presentation. Now we still have 15 minutes left. So let's discuss something more. Okay. So from next week onwards, you people have your tests as well. So in the first test of English, that is going to be on Wednesday, we have planned to take the test of the back exercise of reader and the composition on means of transport. Meanwhile, I have some queries in the chat box. Wait, let me just first of all stop my recording. Yes, so as we are about to discuss about means of transport, that is aeroplane. So I want you all to speak about it. Okay, Bhavesh wants to speak. Yes, Bhavesh, please start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bhavesh.
Ma'am, in aeroplane there can be 300 passengers can sit.
Okay, but how to start the composition? हमें composition start कैसे करनी है? First sentence तो आप ये नहीं लिखोगे ना? Bhavesh, which will be the first sentence?
There are many vehicles in our country.
There are many means of transport available nowadays. ऐसे start कर सकते हैं ना?
One of them is an aeroplane.
Yes. And it is a means of?
It is a means of air transport.
Very good. So first sentence is, there are many means of transport available nowadays. Aeroplane is one of them and it is a means of air transport. Now sentence number.
It is the fastest means of air transport.
Perfect. It is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes सभी means of transport में से सबसे तेज चलता है. Good. Any other sentence, Bhavesh? Okay, if anybody wants to speak about
It is used for long distance and it is very costly.
good, so it is used for long distance and its ticket is very expensive. इसकी ticket बहुत expensive होती है. Okay, good, very good, Bhavesh. Now Vinisha, what does Vinisha want to say?
Aeroplane is a means of air transport. It takes many persons. It it is very costly transport.
Okay.
It is also called the fastest means of transport. Thank you.
वेरी गुड. सो जब आप बताना चाहते हो कि बहुत महंगा है तो आपने कहना है इट्स टिकट्स आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. इसके टिकट एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. ठीक है, आप एरोप्लेन थोड़ी ना खरीदते हो, आप तो टिकट खरीदते हो. सो इट्स टिकट्स आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. ऑलराइट, नाउ वंशिका.
There are many means of transport nowadays.
Right.
Aeroplane is one of them. It has capacity to carry more than 200 people at one time. There are many air hostess in an aeroplane.
Many.
It is the fastest.
Many what?
Air hostess. Air hostess.
Air hostess.
It is the fastest means of transport. It is very. Its tickets are very costly.
Okay, so when you want to say that इसमें बहुत सारे लोग बैठ सकते हैं, you can say it has capacity to carry many people at a time or more than 200 people. People के साथ बच्चे s use नहीं करना, peoples नहीं होता, it is people. People का meaning ही है बहुत सारे लोग. Okay, it has capacity to carry more than 200 people at a time. Okay, can anybody tell me that which fuel is used in the aeroplane?
Kerosene.
Does it use petrol?
Diesel.
Diesel.
No. Neither aeroplane, neither petrol nor diesel.
Petrol.
Petrol use डीजल पेट्रोल कुछ यूज नहीं होता. इट यूजेस जेट फ्यूल.
Kerosene.
नो, इट यूजेस जेट फ्यूल. उसको हमने कहना है जेट फ्यूल. जेट फ्यूल इज यूज्ड टू रन एन एरोप्लेन. जेट फ्यूल यूज किया जाता है इसमें. ओके
मैम मीटिंग कितने मिनट्स लगे फिनिश होने के लिए?
इट विल बी ओवर बाय 10:15. Okay, now anything else you would like to add, because you'll have to write 10 sentences about it. Anything else you want to ask, you want to mention here? Yes, jet fuel is used. Soham, anything else? Kuch aur? As Vanshika told us that air hostess are there. So many air hostesses are there in the aeroplane. So जो girls होती है उनको air hostess कहते हैं और boys को कहा जाता है air host और flying steward. Flying steward. Flying steward means FLYING and spelling of steward is STEWARD. Flying steward.
Ma'am, I got a question.
Yes, you can. Right, so we just have to press a button to call somebody for the help. Once we press it, the air hostess or the flying steward appears to help us. Right, a pilot drives the aeroplane. No, drive nahi karta, wo usko fly karta hai. An aeroplane, it is, yes, a pilot flies the aeroplane. Anything else? It takes off and lands at an airport. ठीक है, उसके लिए हमारे पास एक एयरपोर्ट होता है. अगर हमें एरोप्लेन में बैठना है तो we need to go to the airport. Anything else? Yes, anybody else would like to speak anything?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे.
एरो मैम इस लाइन को इंग्लिश में कैसे लिखेंगे कि एरोप्लेन के ऊपर उनकी कंपनी का नाम लिखा होता है.
Okay, the name of the airline is always written on the aeroplane. कि कौन सी airline को belong करता है. The name of the airline is always mentioned on the aeroplane. Okay, so you can also mention the first aeroplane was designed by the Wright brothers. आप ये भी तो बता सकते हो ना कि first aeroplane किसने बनाया. It was designed, it was manufactured by the Wright brothers. Good. Janet has mentioned it is used for domestic and international flights. Aeroplane जो है वो इंडिया के अंदर जब चलता है that is called domestic. जब वो इंडिया के बाहर जाता है किसी और कंट्री में then it's called international. So, right. It saves the time. It saves the time of transportation and makes the world smaller. दुनिया को छोटा कर दिया इसने हम कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं. Okay. Anything else? Okay, now let's discuss. We still have 5 minutes. Let's discuss about any other means of transport. Let it be a bicycle. So what can you people speak about a bicycle? Start तो आप ऐसे करोगे. There are many means of transportation nowadays. Second point will be bicycle is one of them, and it is a means of land transport. A bicycle is a means of land transport. Now, anybody who would like to add the lines? Okay, Gaurika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gaurika.
Many means of transport are available nowadays, and a bicycle is one of them.
Hmm.
A bicycle is a means of land transport, and it does not pollute the air around us.
Very good. A bicycle does not pollute the air
Riding,
around us. Very good. Hmm.
riding a bicycle keeps our body fit.
Very nice. So, no fuel is used to run a
It is
bicycle.
a
Very good. Hmm.
It is a cheap means of transport and does not use any fuel to run.
Good.
It does not need any license to ride a bicycle.
Very good, Gaurika. So we do not need any license to ride a bicycle. Perfect. It is the
Thank
cheapest means of transport. It does not use any fuel. It keeps us healthy and fit because uh, for riding a bicycle, we need energy. It requires human effort. इसमें humans का effort use होता है, हमारी energy use होती है. So it burns our calories. It keeps us healthy and fit. Good. Any other point?
It is an eco-friendly transportation.
Very nice. It is an eco-friendly means of transport because it does not pollute the environment. Okay, we have 3 minutes more. So let's discuss about a motorcycle. There are many means of transport available nowadays. A motorcycle is one of them, and it is a means of land transport. Now, iske alawa. So Baljot says it can carry two persons at a time, two or three maximum at a time. Okay, anything else? Yes, come on.
Ma'am, bicycle or motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
It needs fuel to run.
Okay, very good. It needs fuel to run. Which fuel does it need? It needs petrol. हम motorcycle में petrol डलवाते हैं ना? It needs petrol to run it. We need to wear a helmet while riding a motorcycle. हमें helmet पहनना चाहिए as per the government, right? Anything else?
And the tire is made of rubber. Body is made of steel and tire is made of.
Yes, anybody else who would like to speak?
We need license to ride a motorcycle.
Yes, we need a license to ride a motorcycle. हमें लाइसेंस की भी जरूरत होती है. Anything else? It saves our time. It runs fast and it saves our time. बहुत जल्दी हमें short distance कहीं cover करना हो तो it is helpful in that. So it is our short distance.
is cost pocket.
बोलिए अंदर से, ध्यान दे, सुनिए. Body is made of steel and
Ma'am,
Yes, Saransh.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Morning.
मैम जो जैसे आप पहले सीईटी भेजते थे लिंक भेजने के बाद वैसे ही भेजोगे ये भी सीईटी
ऑनलाइन पेपर.
मैम ऑनलाइन पेपर्स.
बेटा we have already shared the schedule with you. ठीक है, आपके पास ये जो टेस्ट है ना, हम आपको दोपहर को शेयर किया करेंगे.
बच्चे ने मेल
At 1 p.m. we'll share the tests with you. और फिर शाम को उसकी आंसर की भी आपके पास आया करेगी. ठीक है? Okay, so meeting is about to get over. It's time now. In case you'll have any doubts, you can call and ask from me. Okay? So it will be over automatically in a minute. Purnima ma'am, please end the meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.